Hi to all. Today we will see the velocity diagram of this given mechanism. So in it the diagram is given. So in the question all the length AB length, BC length and CD length and EF length all are given like this. Okay. So here the dimensions are lengthy 37.5 centimeter, 37.5 centimeter like that. So I took scale here divided by 4. Okay, 50 divided by 4, 450 divided by 4 like that, so that we can reduce the diagram dimensions and we can do here. Okay, so because 37.5 centimeter means it is very lengthy dimension, so that's why we are considering whatever given dimension scale I am taking 1 by 4 of this dimension. Okay, so I have reduced the diagram here according to the taken scale. Okay, so it is easy to do the diagram by using all the dimensions. Okay, here AB is the crank, it is rotating clockwise, it is given. Just I will read the question. Question is given like to the crank AB makes an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal and rotates about point A, okay, in clockwise direction at uniform speed of 120 rpm. N value is 120 rpm. The lever DC, okay, oscillates about the fixed point D. This is the fixed point, okay, which is connected to AB. This lever is connected to AB by the coupler BC. Okay, here we are taking one link which is joining this link and this link. The block F, this is the block F, okay, moves in the horizontal guides. Okay, these are the guideways. So in the horizontal direction it is moving, and then it is driven by the EF link which is connected at E point to the DC link. Whenever DC is oscillating, so this is making this block or F block in the making horizontal movement, and here we have to find velocity of the block. So we need to find VF here, linear velocity, and then angular velocity of DC link. Okay, so angular velocity, as we know, we are using omega of DC. Okay, so these two values we have to find. So N value is given here 120 rpm. Okay, so by using the given velocity we have to find these two velocities by using the velocity diagram. Okay, in velocity diagram we can find the linear velocities, so from it we can find the angular velocity. So in velocity diagram, always remember whatever fixed points are there, those have no velocity, that is zero velocity. Here fixed points are A and D. So both points I am marking in velocity diagram at the common point. So I am taking A comma D. Okay, and then after that here calculate the linear velocity of AB. How much N value N AB or NBA is equal to, it is given 120 rpm. Find out angular velocity. Omega BA is equal to 2 pi N by 60. 2 pi, what is N value? 120 by 60. It is the 4 pi. Do with calculation. We got the answer 12.57 radians per second. For finding the linear velocity, we have one formula, VBA is equal to, or VB is equal to, here we have to take omega BA into whatever original length of AB, that length. Okay, substitute this value here, 12.57. What is the AB length? It is 150 mm. Okay, so 15 centimeter I am taking in meters. So find out linear velocity of VBA is 1.88 meter per second. Take the scale so that we can mark this length. Okay, so I am taking considering in velocity diagram one scale. I am taking whatever value is coming here, that value is equal to some 4 centimeters or 1.88 meter per second is equal to some 4 centimeters I am taking. Okay, this scale I am taking. Now as you know, this in this mechanism first I will mark the AB link velocity. So always remember this link, whatever link we are taking, velocity is always perpendicular to this link. Okay, so here why it is perpendicular means in the last classes also I have told, if you are taking one circle, if you are taking this link, the velocity is like this. So it is perpendicular means 90 degrees with the link. If the link is here, the velocity direction is like this. It is perpendicular to it. Like that, the velocities are always perpendicular to this link. At B point, it is acting perpendicular. Okay. So for taking the perpendicular line, we have to fix one of the scale of the drafter to this, and another scale will show the velocity in perpendicular direction, because this angle is 90. Okay. So how much we need to mark? 1.88 meter per second B velocity, but we are considering this value is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now here with this scale I am taking 4 here, 4 centimeters. Okay. And this point is A already we did, so this end point is B. Now after that, after marking B, next is from B we have to do the velocity of BC link. So velocity, how to find velocity of BC link? Just it is also perpendicular to this position. So this scale will show the velocity of BC. So from B I will do the line here. So just do the line here. So how much length we don't know. So after that, D also we know. After doing this line, we know D here. So from DC link, DC is passing from D. Just take the velocity of this link by fixing the drafter scale here. This scale will show the velocity of DC link. So here from D, do the line here. So here the intersection point of B and D is here. The intersection point of B and D is C here. This is the C. Okay. This will show VAB or VBA or VB also we can write VAB or VBA, and this is showing VBC. Okay, and this is showing VDC or CD. Okay, and then next, now after getting this diagram, here on DC link we have to mark E point. Okay, so how to mark E point on DC? So this is the DC. We need to mark at any point. Okay, here let us assume at any place it is E. Just I am comparing the ratios of these two lengths. So DE by DC I am taking here. So for finding the E position, I am taking the ratio DE by DC, because we know all this length, DE length, DC length, all those lengths are given, is equal to here DE. We don't know that position. DE by DC. DC we know by measuring this value. Okay, DC. So from it find out this value. So what is DE value? It is given actually in the question. DE is 150 mm. Divided by DC also given 450 is equal to DE we need to find divided by DC. DC measure this value with the scale and take this value here. So DC value just now we have measured. So this value is some 5.7 centimeters. So find out DE by using calci. DE I got 1.9 centimeters. So I will mark DE 1.9 on DC line. Okay, on DC line I will mark E point 1.9 centimeter. Okay, the velocity diagram. Scale I have marked E point on the DC line. So this is small e. Okay, DE. After marking E point here on the DC line, first, so here we have marked EF velocity we have to find. So how the EF velocity is, as I told, one link we have to take on this scale. The perpendicular line will show the velocity of EF. Okay, just drop one line from E. Okay, drop one line from E. So we don't know how much length it is. Okay. And now from the fixed points A and D, it is F block is moving horizontally. Okay, so fix the drafter scale in correct position at 0. Initially I kept at 0 for horizontal lines. So horizontal velocity I am taking from fixed points A and D. AD points, fixed points, I am taking horizontal line which is meeting at this point. Okay, this is F. After getting the F point, this vertical length, that is EF, will give the linear velocity of VEF. So here I will write VEF. Okay, this value. and this value will give the VF value. So VF. So here our main aim is we have to find VF value. So measure this length, okay, by using scale. Okay, you will get the VF value. So I am measuring the scale, this length here. This is 1.45, okay, 1.45 centimeters, but we need the velocity meter per second. Okay, so here I will compare with this scale. 4 centimeter means 1.88 meter per second. This is the scale we took. Here we got 1.45 centimeter is equal to how many meter per second. So here it is the less value, it is a more. For more value, more velocity will come. For less, it is also less. So less by more into 1.88. So here do with values. Less value is 1.45 by more value means 4 into 1.88. So do with calculate this value. Got 0.68, or otherwise we can write 0.7 meter per second. So this is the VF value. So this is the slider velocity. Okay, so next what we have to find, this DC link angular velocity we have to find. Okay, first find the linear velocity of DC by using DC length. Okay, so measure that value DC by using the scale. DC length, it is nearly 4.7. okay, 4.7. this value is DC is, it is 4.7 centimeters, but we need velocity in terms of meter per second. That's why I am taking this scale. For 4 centimeter, 1.88 meter per second. So this value we got 4.7. For 4.7 centimeters, how much velocity? It is less, it is also less compared to this. This is more, so more by less into 1.88. So substitute the values. What is the more value? 4.7. less value means 4 into 1.88. okay, do with calculate this value. I am getting the approximate this value 2.25 meter per second. This is the linear velocity of DC link. VDC value is 2.25 meter per second velocity of DC link, but we need to find the angular velocity. For finding the angular velocity, we have one relation, VDC is equal to omega DC into DC length. So here VDC just now we did 2.25 is equal to, what is, we need to find this value omega DC. What is DC length or CD length? 450 mm means 45 centimeters. 45 by 100 means in meters. Okay, 45 by 100. Find out by using the calci. Omega DC angular velocity is 5 radians per second of DC link. Okay, so this is the 5 here, 5 radians per second. Okay, and here VF is 0.7 meter per second. So these are the required answers for the given link. Like that, if the diagram is given, do with drafter. Here dimensions are more, take with scale. Here I am taking 1/4 of this value. Okay, so here I did the diagram according to this dimensions. Okay, after that we did the velocity diagram for finding these two values.